Hi, this is Radhika, Senior Education Counselor and Business Development Manager in ICCC. Today we are going to talk about Enapaya Medical College, Mangalore regarding PG cutoff for 2020 in MCC counseling for round 1, round 2 and mop-up round. Enapaya Medical College was established in the year 1999, which is located in Mangalore in the coastal region. As we know, Mangalore is an educational hub and Enapaya Medical College has different colleges for different streams like Enapaya University for Nursing College, Ayurveda Medical College and Hospital, for Pharmacy, for Dental, Physiotherapy, Homeopathic Medical Colleges and Degree College. Let us see about Information Cum Career Counseling Center. Our company is a Bangalore-based registered company. We have a head office in Bangalore and regional office in Hyderabad and West Bengal. Our website is www.i3c.tech. To know more about PG Medical College, you can always browse our website. It's www.medicalneedpg.com, where you can search the college, get fee structure and more. Let us see the fee structure for PG 2021 in Enapaya Medical College, Mangalore. For MD in dermatology, it's 32 lakhs 10,000 per year. MD in radiodiagnosis is 32 lakhs 10,000. MD in pediatric, it's 28 lakhs 60,000. MS in general surgery, it's 28 lakhs 60,000. MD in general medicine, it's also 28 lakhs 60,000. MD in ophthalmology and MD in orthopedics, it's also 28 lakhs 60,000 per year. Let us see the first round cutoff in MCC counseling for Enapaya Medical College. For all clinical subjects like MD in dermatology, the cutoff was 13,369. For MD in anesthesia, it's 45,224. For MD in general medicine, it's 23,053. For MD in pediatrics, it's 22,084. Wherein for MD in radio diagnosis, it's 13,957. For MS in ophthalmology, it's 35,204. Coming to the second round cutoff in MCC counseling for Enapaya Medical College, wherein for the clinical subjects like MD in dermatology, there is no cutoff as all the seats were reported and allotted in the first round itself. And coming to MD in anesthesia, it's 45,646. For MD in general medicine, it's 21,506. Wherein for MD in pediatrics and MD in radiodiagnosis and MS in OBG, there is no cutoffs as all the seats were allotted and reported in the first round. Coming to the mop-up round cutoff in MCC counseling for Enapaya Medical College, as you can see for MD in dermatology or MD in general medicine or MD in pediatrics and MS in OBG and MD in radiodiagnosis, there is no cutoff for this major subjects. There is no cutoffs as all the seats were allotted and reported in the first round. Now let us talk about the statistical analysis for Enapaya Medical College for PG cutoff in MCC counseling for round 1, round 2 and mop-up round. And let us compare with other deemed colleges as well. Come, let us see one by one subjects. Coming to MD in dermatology, wherein in Enapaya for MD in dermatology, last year they were having 2 seats with a fee structure of 32 lakhs 10,000 per annum, where one seat was for Muslim minority and other one was for general merit. So if you compare the MD in DVT seat with other deemed university in Mangalore like KS Hegde and Manipal, Mangalore, the cutoff goes up to 13,000 to 14,000 rank. If you're looking for a seat in top college like Enapaya, your rank must be within 13,000 to 13,500 rank. Next, coming to MD in anesthesia, wherein the rank goes up to 40,000. So in case if you score up to 40,000 rank, you can expect a seat in Enapaya Medical College for MD in anesthesia. And coming to MD in radiology, last year there were total 5 seats, which is 3 seats in general merit and 2 seats in a Muslim minority. The cutoff goes up to 15,000 rank for Muslim minority, and for general merit it's 13,000 to 14,000 rank with a fees of 32 lakhs 10,000 per annum, which is quite higher when compared to other top deemed colleges. And next, coming to MD in pediatrics, last year there were 2 seats available for the counseling, one in general merit and one in Muslim minority. The cutoff goes up to 23,000 to 24,000 rank. And coming to MS OBG, there were two seats for general merit and one seat for Muslim minority available in last year counseling, and the cutoff for general merit goes up to 24,000 rank. As a senior education counselor, my conclusion about these 3 rounds cutoff in MCC counseling for All India ranking in Enopoya Medical College, come let us see one by one for different clinical subjects. For MD in dermatology, the first round cutoff was 13,369 All India ranking. And in second round and mop-up round, if you see, there are no seats allotted as all the seats were reported in the first round. Wherein for MD in pediatric, the first round cutoff was 22,084 All India ranking, and in the second round and mop-up round there are no seats allotted as all the seats were reported in the first round. And coming to MD in radiology, the first round cutoff was 13,957 All India ranking, and in the second round and mop-up round there are no seats allotted. And in MD in OBG, the first round cutoff was 23,255, wherein All India ranking, and in second round and mop-up round there are no seats allotted. So, if you see the trend in All India ranking cutoffs for PG clinical subjects in Enopoya Medical College, the fee is very high and most of the seats have been reported in the first round. Now coming to the package, the service charge for NEET PG counseling and guidance in Information Cum Career Counseling Center, we charge rupees 25,000, which includes application notification updates, SMS alerts for all state, stepwise application filling guidance for Karnataka, Pondicherry, Punjab, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, NRI or general fees updates, SMS alert, cut-off marks alerts, guidance for NRI documents for MCC or state counseling, direct NEET PG admission for all clinical and paraclinical subjects. To get a paid service, kindly click the link below. Thank you for watching. For further details or queries, you can always call up to 8884499760 or WhatsApp 7406244111 or email to my email ID radhikanirmal.i3c.blr@gmail.com, and we are open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.